Good evening, students. Welcome to Biological Science. Okay, in this video, we are going to learning about a dangerous environmental issue, that is acid rain. Okay, in this we are going to learning about what is meant by acid rain and causes for acid rain and control measures for the acid rain. Now I will generally describe, before going to standard definition for acid rain. Generally I am going to describe what is meant by acid rain. Whatever the pollutants from the earth, okay, whatever the pollutants from the earth that is said to be reaching into the atmosphere, whenever rain is said to be fault, at that time the pollutants are said to be combining with that rainwater and forming a acid rain. Acid rain is called as it is a man-made rain. Rain in the sense it's a natural, but whereas acid rain is called as it's a man-made rain only. Why? Because of several pollutions we are polluting on the earth. From that, the acid rain is said to be causing. Now let us see the standard definition. Acid rain, or it is also called as acid precipitation. And if you see the standard definition, acid rain is nothing but it is a phenomena in which the rainfall has a pH level of less than 5.6. Means here the rainwater contains the pH level that is more acidic in the sense which contains it is less than 5.6 only. Nothing but it is a phenomenon in which the rainfall has a pH levels of less than 5.6. That is the rainwater which contains more acidic, and it is used to describe the deposition of acidic components in rain, snow, fog, dew or dry particles. Nothing but whenever acid rain is said to be fall on the earth, it is forming a acid deposition. Whenever acid fall out of the atmosphere, a more precise term is called as acid deposition is said to be formed. Again, this acid deposition contains two parts, that is wet form of deposition and another one is dry deposition. Both are said to be affected on the living components on the earth. That is wet deposition in the sense it refers to the acidic rain, fog and snow, and wherever dry deposition in the sense it refers to the acidic gases and particles. Whatever the acidic gases which is said to be returning into the atmosphere and other like particles. And next one is let us move, that is causes for the acid rain. Generally acid rain is said to be caused through automobiles, factories, like mining activities, agricultural activities, and like burning of fossil fuels and like some chemical reactions. Automobiles in the sense in the form of vehicles. Whenever exhaust of gases like nitrogen oxide is going to take place, exhaust is going to take place from vehicles, at that time it is said to be caused, that is acid rain. And next one is factories, majorly through the factories, that is sulfur dioxide emissions from the chimneys of that factories. And next one is the solid and liquid particles suspended in our air are called aerosols. If you see the atmosphere which contains solid and liquid particles, they are said to be suspending through like mining operations, agricultural activities, the burning mining operations forming aerosols, and agricultural activities, and burning of fossil fuels, sulfur dioxide emitted from the combustion of fossil fuels like fossil fuels like that is coal. This is the general thing, as you know all. And another one is that is chemical reaction. Through chemical reaction also the causes for acid rain is going to takes place. Chemical reaction in the sense what whenever the toxic gases like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide is said to be combining with water and oxygen, some chemical reaction is said to be occurred in the air. That is also a cause called as chemical reaction. Next we can see control measure. Before going to see the control measures, it is happy to share that if you see the present days, nowadays, the nature itself, it is said to be going to balancing. The nature itself, it is said to be going to balance. Why? Because if you see nowadays, because of this corona effect, lockdown is said to be made by the government. Because of that lockdown, the pollution percentage is said to be controlled. That is all because of nature's role only. So that I told that nature itself, it is going to balancing its environment. Okay, that is one happy thing nowadays. Let us see one by one what are the control measures. Several solutions to stop that is man-made acid rain. Regulating the emissions along from coming from vehicles. We should regulate the emissions coming from the vehicles. Means, what is the solution means, instead of using like fossil fuels from the vehicles, we should use like some electrical vehicles or like some solar vehicles. According to EPA, that is Environmental Protection Act, this can be done by restricting the use of fossil fuels. That is said to be restricting the use of fossil fuels and focusing on more sustainable energy sources such as solar and wind power, that is natural energies. Instead of using that fossil fuels, we should go for using like solar and wind power as energy. Using public transportations. Nowadays, if you see, there are huge number of vehicles. For example, like in a family, like 4 members in a family means compulsory at least 2 vehicles are said to be present. Instead of using that always using that vehicles, better to choose for public transportation. That will reduce the control the pollution. Next is reduce use of electricity which is widely created with the fossil fuels, or switch on to the solar packages to their customers that requires no installation and low cost. Means, instead of how electricity is said to be run, electricity is said to be formed through like thermal power plants. In that thermal power plants, there will be burning of fossil fuels continuously is going to takes place. That is causing a severe pollution on atmosphere. So that to avoid that one, we should go for alternative method, that is use of that solar packages that requires no installation and low cost. Avoid use of pesticides and fertilizers. In agriculture, they will use products are said to be using, that is pesticides as well as fertilizers for a crop. That is said to be avoided. Instead of that, when you have to go for organic farming. Next is industrial power plants are said to be concerned the best solutions. Whatever the industries power plants are there, no, that are said to be attached with some devices like called as scrubbers. What is meant by scrubbers? Where that device is said to be attached means in the chimneys of the plants. Chimneys in the sense it's a pipe, whatever the industries which contains pipes, now through that pipes, that is outlet pipes, through that pipes only the pollutants are said to be exhausted, that is called as chimneys. Exactly at that chimneys the scrubbers devices are said to be attached. What is its function? Scrubbers are nothing but those are the devices that will reduce the amount of toxic gases, means that will reduce the amount of like sulfur produced in the smoke by 90 to 95% is said to be reduced. Next is vehicles. Every vehicle which contains, that is catalytic converter, its function is to convert, that is more toxic gases into less toxic gases. This is about a small topic, that is acid rain. And finally, thank you all.